This is a great large floor standing air purifier with dual-sided HEPA filters, color-coded and numeric air quality monitor, quiet sleep mode, timer, child lock, and dimmer for rooms up to 3,500 square feet in size. I was sent this from Siesean to review, so let me show you a closer look.
Here we have the true H13 HEPA filter.
There are two sets of HEPA filter and activated carbon filter, one set on the left, one set on the right. So don't forget to remove both and take off the plastic, put them back in before using for the first time.
Activated carbon filter, kind of like a honeycomb. You can hear that shaking in there. You can actually see the little pellets. And then here's your fan in here. Make sure the words and the little pull tab is facing outward. That's gonna make it easy to replace. Same for this one. You got the little pull tab facing outward. Then it just pops right back on and you're good to go.
I love the look. You've got the flat glassy black top, which is your interface. No buttons, it's all just a touch panel. So you turn it on and then there's all your info. You've got a light back here. There's 3 colors based on how clean the air is in the moment: red, yellow, and green. Green is the goal. It also gives you the number reading up on the top. It's gonna tell you when you need to change the filters, then you change them and you press reset. You've got a child lock, a timer, 1, 2, 4, and 8-hour timers. You can adjust the speed, low, medium, high. Sleep mode will get really quiet and then back to regular. You've got a dimmer to make the screen less bright or go off completely. I like the brightest one. And then you've got auto. So that'll kind of make the speed of the fan as much as needed depending on the air quality at the moment. It's really quiet. It's a great size for a room. It's not a desktop, but it's not ginormous. It's not gonna take up a lot of space. You can put it next to your desk, next to your dining room table, in your living room, wherever you need it to kind of clear out the air regularly, help prevent germs from spreading in your house. Just a really great device. We are loving it and know you will too.